Hi, this is Sue. I'm 61 years old and I'm currently traveling cross-country in my Ford Transit Connect. I thought I'd do a short video showing you how I get the van ready for an overnight.
I use iOverlander to pick out a spot that has pretty good reviews.
I picked a nice spot in a little parking area in the National Forest of Utah. I store my reflectix over the driver's compartment. Next thing I do is take out my jackery and my cords so I can power up my devices overnight. Usually charge my Garmin and my phone. I bought this little cute phone holder from IKEA. I use it to hold my phone at night, so it's like a little night light. I can't obviously show you how I set up my phone because I'm using my phone to record for you. After I lock my car, my keys get stored up here. They hang from the ceiling until I need them in the middle of the night. I can just grab them and there they go. My headboard expands like this. I usually put my bigger sleeping bag at the head of the bed so my pillow doesn't fall through. My smaller sleeping bag with my blankets get pulled on the bed. My belt pulls out and I pull the mattress. Close my curtains and I'm in for the night.
And that's my night routine. As always, thanks for watching and see you on the road.